Welcome back to my little corner of the world I call home.
Good morning, cherubs.
Good morning, Heather. So we are resetting for the week. I've been meaning to get back on track and fully reset, and now's the time. I fully need to just get my life together. My husband and I cleaned the apartment this morning and I'm feeling better. We're gonna go grab groceries so we can be on track with all our nutrient goals. And so yeah, it's gonna be a good vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have heard that I've been doing F45 for a few months now and I just haven't seen a lot of growth in my muscles. So we're switching back to the gym because I feel like that's the best way to really progressive overload and like keep track of the weights you're doing and such. I did put on this cute little outfit because I was in some baggy, ugly sweats. Well, they're cute, but they're just like not the clean girl vibe. And if you saw my little influencer day in the life video, you would have seen I picked up these little home cozies, and I just feel like putting on a really cute lounge set makes you feel more put together. So that was the first step of getting my shit together. I was like, I feel like a slob, I feel disgusting, and I need to change that. So we slicked the hair back, we put on a cutie little set, put on the glasses. These are from Pear. I love them so much. They're blue light glasses, and anytime I'm feeling extra ugly, I put them on. Oh, another part of resetting and getting my shit together, we're gonna do my roots. Last time I did my roots, I did it for TikTok, but this time you guys get the update. I found this girl named Anabelle, and she is a redhead. She's actually a hairdresser, and she shared her red hair formula, which you guys love my formula, which I've shared on TikTok, and it's in my like to know it. And that's a little bit more accessible because the products are at Sally's. Her hair, it just has like this pop that I really want. So I'm gonna try her formula. I will link it down in my Amazon as well. I've never used this, so I'm excited. And this is gonna be my treat after a full day of resetting. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, we got the goods. We've got the goods. I'll carry it like a baby. Alright, we're about to chow down. I should have asked for extra salsa. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Cheers. The salsa makes it. Their salsa is so good. I didn't even get a tater tot yet, but it's still so good.
They can call it that other epic burrito shack.
I live by these. I love tahini and lime on these. We made it back. We already put away the groceries. I figured that that was not that interesting because you guys saw everything we got. But I'm about to start meal prepping. And before I do, I need a little matcha pick-me-up. I really want to start collecting cuter cups, but for now, this is my cutest cup, but it's smaller. This is my bigger cup, but it's not as cute. But I think we're gonna be drinking out of this one. I don't do this any like particularly fancy way. This is probably the easiest, fastest way. I just fill up my cup with some water. I just got sent this in a skincare package. It is the Organic Midori Spring Gold Ceremonial Grade Matcha. It is so good. And you can tell this is really good because of the bright, bright green. For reference, this is what I was drinking and it actually kind of grosses me out. This is some Walmart shit, which I was like, it's fine, it tastes the same. It does not taste the same. I did not know what I was missing out on. So after I'm done with this, I'm definitely gonna repurchase because it is delicious and it looks beautiful. I was always like, why does my matcha not look as green as everyone else's? I just take about a teaspoon or take, I don't know what that is, and you just mix it. Add a couple Splenda, and I usually like to add sugar-free vanilla, but we're out, so this is all. And we just top it off with some almond milk. I know a lot of girls love oat milk. It's just a little too chunky for me personally. I like the thin consistency of almond milk. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Beautiful green color. That's good. I'm gonna start by putting my Greek yogurt on the scale, starting it off, and then I'm going to put it into the containers and then reset. That way I don't have to keep putting containers on the scale. I don't know. It could be harder, it could be easier. We'll see. Am I using my matcha fork? Yeah, it's fine. So I'm gonna do 2 servings. That way I get 36 grams of protein per bowl. And so that's 340 grams. That's a lot of yogurt. I don't know that I'll be able to fit, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's an hour later now, and I did prep breakfast and lunch for 4 days, and I think I'm gonna cook dinner because obviously I work from home, so it's not that big of a deal for me, and we have a pretty small fridge, so I don't want to take up too much room and then not have my husband able to put his like meal prep in there. So yeah, and that was pretty quick. It was an hour. I'm not even done with my podcast and I finished. I also cleaned up the kitchen, and it's like not a huge mess. I would actually argue to say it's less messy than just cooking after every meal or cleaning up after every meal. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna take a little break right now before starting to hair dye because I am tired, and you do not want to start coloring your hair while you're tired. Like I said, I did a video on TikTok, but I'm gonna do this one here for you guys. So I always bring a mirror in here so that I can see the back entirely. I have brushes. I have a couple brushes from Sally's, a little dish. I'm gonna do my roots first and then mix up my ends formula, which is just the same color, just different volumes, 30 and 20. Ideally it would be 30 and 10, but Sally's is closed today because it's Easter, so we're just gonna work with what we've got. Also clips. I don't think you're supposed to use metal clips, but I don't know what happened to all my other clippies. So here we are. You want to first section off your hair. Sorry, I don't have my tripod with me, so we're just kind of making do. You want to do the 2 fronts. And typically you want to do this on dirty hair, obviously, because 1, you are going to wash your hair after, so it would be best to line it up with wash day, and then 2, because the oils actually protect your scalp from getting too dried up, because peroxide dries up your hair, so you don't want that. So like I'll do both of these sections at once, and then I'll work my way up instead of working my way side to side, if that makes sense. I'm going to do equal parts 757 and 777. I'm sorry, 677 and 757. Like I said, I'll have all the stuff I use in my Amazon storefront. And ideally you want to do a scale because we're dealing with chemicals and you just want to be precise. In my opinion, people eyeball it. The girls whose recipe I'm following eyeballs it and it comes out great every time. a timer. What are we at? Let's see. We have 30 minutes, 29 minutes on the timer. I'm about to clean up the bathroom. I also did my brows a little red. They're not super red. I ended up using 1 1/4 of a tube. So if you're dyeing your hair and you have about my length, I would order 2 of each tubes. That's what I did. And I would say I covered most of my hair pretty well. Towards the end I was kind of like just spreading it out because I didn't want to have to get 2 tubes again. I know that's silly, but whatever. Just hopped out of the shower and guys, it already looks so good. Do you see that little peep of red? Not yet. I really hope I didn't get hot roots, but it's looking really cute. I don't know, we'll see. Hi buddy, are you trying to hang out with me? Oh, I thought it was cheddar. What's that? Real flour room?
We're good, huh?
Oh yeah, that's great. Coloring my hair has taught me that products actually make such a huge difference that I didn't even know. I also love the Growth Bomb Recover Repair Serum, lots of serums. And the Sexy Hair Blowout Spray is one of my favorites. Blowout Prep. Oh, by the way, this spray smells so good. It smells like candy. Okay, just finished blow drying it and I love the color. I love the way it feels. It's just like the perfect auburn red, but I don't know if you guys can see. So when I first did my roots, I did it with bleach and I don't think you're gonna be able to see. There's like a band of lightness, which then makes it look like my roots are darker, but in reality, if you take the band away, it's the same hair color. And what bothers me is that you can see it when I put my hair up. But overall, like when my hair is in the middle or the side, you can't really tell. It's just when I put my hair up. So I think next time I wash my hair, I'm just gonna throw in a little toner just on that band. So not on my root and not on anything else, just the band, to get the band back down to the level and the color that is everywhere else. I could try and use the same color with a 10 ball to deposit color, but I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I feel like a toner is less harsh, but I love how rich it looks. Look at my hair.